I bought and tested these cold air intakes so you don't waste your hard-earned money. If you're looking to enhance your Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 Hemi's performance, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll share my honest experiences with the top 5 options on the market. Product number 1, Evil Energy Cold Air Intake. I recently installed the Evil Energy Cold Air Intake on my 2017 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter, and let me tell you, the experience was surprisingly straightforward. The kit arrived with everything I needed, including a heat shield and pre-filter. I took about 40 minutes to install it using basic tools, thanks to the clear step-by-step instructions. As I turned the ignition on, the first thing I noticed was the deeper, more aggressive growl of the engine. It was exhilarating. The increase in horsepower and torque was immediately evident as I hit the accelerator. The vehicle felt more responsive and powerful, especially when climbing hills. One of the standout features is the multi-layer cotton air filter, which boasts over 98% filtration efficiency. Plus, it's washable and reusable, making it a sustainable choice. The large-diameter aluminum tube minimizes airflow restrictions, allowing the engine to breathe better. I was impressed with how the steel heat shield effectively blocked engine heat, delivering cooler air to the engine. However, while the performance was outstanding, one downside is that the aggressive engine sound might not be for everyone. For a quieter ride, you may want to consider other options. Still, if you want to unleash your engine's full potential, the Evil Energy Intake is a solid choice. Why buy it? If you're looking for an easy installation, solid performance gains, and a bit of a roar under acceleration, this is the intake for you. Product number 2, K&N Cold Air Intake System. Next up is the K&N Cold Air Intake System, which I installed on my buddy's 2020 Ram 1500 Classic. Right off the bat, K&N is a reputable brand known for its quality, and this product did not disappoint. The installation process was straightforward, taking about an hour. The first thing I noticed was the incredible sound it produced during acceleration, a deep, throaty growl that made driving feel more thrilling. K&N claims a guaranteed increase in horsepower and torque, and I can confirm that the truck felt more powerful, especially during towing. The high-flow reusable air filter is a game changer, requiring cleaning only every 100,000 miles under normal conditions. This means less hassle and more time enjoying the drive. However, the price point is on the higher side at around $317.99, which might deter some buyers. But if you're looking for performance, K&N offers dyno-tested results that are hard to match. Why buy it? If you want a proven performance upgrade that enhances both acceleration and towing capabilities while maintaining excellent engine protection, you should seriously consider the K&N Intake. Product number 3, the K&N Next Gen Cold Air Intake. The K&N Next Gen Cold Air Intake caught my eye for its innovative design. I got my hands on this model for my 2019 Dodge Ram 1500, and the performance was impressive. Installation was a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design, and I had it set up in under an hour. One of the standout features is the enlarged factory fresh air inlet, which significantly improved airflow and reduced inlet air temperatures. This means more oxygen-rich air for the engine, translating into better performance. The oversized air filter also plays a crucial role, with increased surface area allowing for better airflow. What I loved most was the precision engineering that K&N is known for. Every detail felt meticulously crafted. The sound during acceleration was exhilarating without being obnoxious at cruising speeds. While the price is a bit steep at around $377.61, the quality and performance make it worth the investment. Why buy it? If you're serious about maximizing your Ram's performance with a system that combines quality engineering and user-friendly installation, the K&N Next Gen is a top-tier choice. Product number 4, Salem Auto Parts Cold Air Intake Kit. Next, I tried the Cold Air Intake Pipe Kit from Salem Auto Parts, which is a more budget-friendly option at about $95.98. I installed it on my 2016 Ram 1500, and the first thing I noticed was the aggressive sound it produced. It didn't take long to install, under an hour, and I found the fit to be excellent. The kit claims to increase horsepower by an average of 12, and I could definitely feel the difference. The throttle response was noticeably improved, making the truck feel much more agile. One aspect I appreciated was that it's a direct bolt-on replacement, which means no special tools or modifications were needed. However, the filter quality isn't as high-end as some of the more expensive brands, so you might want to replace it sooner than later. Overall, for a budget option, it performs well and delivers an excellent sound. Why buy it? If you're looking for a cost-effective way to enhance performance and sound without breaking the bank, this Salem intake kit is a great choice. Product number 5 is the VVORHS Bell Cold Air Intake Pipe Kit. Last but not least, I tested the VVORHS Bell Cold Air Intake Pipe Kit, which is another affordable option priced at around $95.99. I put this on my 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, and installation was pretty straightforward. The kit consists of a high-quality aluminum intake tube and a filter, and I appreciated the attention to detail in the design. The bends in the tube are CNC mandrel bent, ensuring maximum airflow. Similar to the Salem kit, I noticed an increase in throttle response and acceleration. The overall build quality felt solid, and the addition of a heat shield is a nice touch to protect the engine from heat. However, compared to pricier alternatives, the filter may not be as high-performing in terms of filtration efficiency. For those who want a simple upgrade without a hefty price tag, this kit does the job well. Why buy it? If you're looking for a straightforward, budget-friendly cold air intake that offers decent performance gains and better sound, the VVORHS Bell Kit is a solid pick.